applied for it. So I saw a poster that they're looking for a candidate, and then we had several interviews and online presentations po.
At the same time, I mean, there was a casting call, parang ganun.
Opo, actually po, I applied for Miss World Philippines, and then I did not get in. And the night I did not get in, I saw this poster, and I told myself, maybe this is for me. And then I applied the day after po. And then right now, I'm Miss Progress Philippines po.
So, there was a, like, audition.
Opo, sir. Actually, it's a one-on-one interview po. So what we did is, first, they told me to have a speech about human rights and about progress. And then they told me to have an on-the-spot project for a certain community. So Miss Progress International is about adopting a community where you can actually track their progress with your project po. So we will go there, and part of the pointing system is what project can we introduce to the certain community that we will adopt, and how can we make sure that there would be a progress po with our project.
So you were chosen, you were handpicked?
Yes po, handpicked po siya.
Because of that first interview?
Yes po.
Okay.
We were 15 po that time po.
Kailan yung alis mo for Puglia?
Right now po, it's between September 20 to 23 po. We are just confirming for the second dose of vaccine po.
May vaccinated din.
Actually po, I'm just waiting for Ayala Land. Within the month po kami.
Can you tell us about your preparation for this upcoming pageant?
Currently, I'm mostly preparing for the project because that's the big chunk of the pointing system. So I'm coordinating with the NPO or the non-profit organization on what we could do or what can I do for their community. And also, I've been coordinating with our first winner, Miss Jedever. I've coordinated with a lot of fashion designers already. And right now, I am training with Tito Rog at Kagandahan Flores Camp.
How many contestants here?
Confirmed contestants are 30. 30 po.
30. Ilang days kayo sa
10 days po. Hi!
I was reading your bio, and
Yes.
one of the things that struck me was that you studied international studies.
Yes.
We have the same course, so
Oh.
I kind of get like what it is about. Nakatulong ba ito sa preparation mo?
Definitely.
It has something to do with building communities and checking them. Kumusta?
Yes po, definitely. Actually, when the first batch po asked me, why do you think you have the chance to win? And I could actually say, one of my edges, I'm a graduate of international relations. One of our subjects is about development of the developing countries. What can we do? What can we contribute? Diba po? I was also an intern of Department of Foreign Affairs back in 2015. So I've heard the needs of our Filipino communities, not only here in the Philippines, but also outside. That's why my project is actually in line to what I have learned in classroom, to what I have learned or discovered in my community service, and to all the people that I'm surrounded with, from the mentors to the professors po.
I have another question. I'm just a little curious.
Yes po.
People who are more inclined on the academic side,
Yes po.
it's a little difficult for the groups of people around them to be more accepting. Kamusta yung mga people around you na nag-beauty pageant pa ngayon? There are talks na parang hindi naman ganun ka-importante ang pageant these days. Kamusta yung reception dito sa pinasak ng pageant?
Actually, I'm so overwhelmed about the support system of my family, friends, and relatives. In terms of what you've mentioned po, I don't believe that the pageantry don't have, or pageants don't have impact. Because the fact that we women influence other women to join, I was influenced by my favorites, Catriona Gray, Gazzini, is an eye-opener to everyone that it actually influenced and inspired a lot of women to be empowered and to have a role in the community.
Thank you. Good luck sa'yo.
Thank you po.
Italy is very exciting. Have you been there before?
Not yet. This is the first time that I'll go outside Asia. So I'm really, really excited. And I've mentioned po that because I'm a European studies major, this is so exciting because I just have read it or heard it. So this time, it's a dream come true po.
I feel you there.
Yes.
Good luck.
Thank you po.
May prepared national costume ka na ba?
I've coordinated with the designer.
Anong concept niya? Or theme?
Theme. Let's just say it will be connected about food. Yun po muna. Well, because we are an agriculture country, I'm going to Puglia, which is an agricultural based din po na city. So, ayun po.
How about the gown?
The gown, honestly, I'm still coordinating for the gown po. But I've talked to 3 to 4 designers already.
And you're now training sa kagandahan floor.
Yes po.
Kapag nag-training ka na ba ngayon?
Opo, for 3 weeks na po.
So, kamusta naman?
Last training, sabi ni Tito Roj, nag-improve na daw po ako. So, I'm so happy. And for the first time, I'm wearing 6-inch heels. Pero, kaya naman daw po, napupull off ka na
How
po.
many laps can you do with the duck walk?
Duck walk mostly po 10 rounds po muna po kami. Opo.
What's the difference? Let's talk about your, what you call this, your projects.
Projects
Community.
po.
Which community is this in particular?
Okay, when I was in college, I'm helping Itaas Elementary School. It's a public school, sir. So, in Muntinlupa, along National Road po. So, we've given them school supplies, the school needs, for example, electric fans, the the blackboards, the whiteboards, everything that lacks dun po sa school. And also, as mentioned po, I was a performing arts club. We had a chance to had a play with the students po of Itaas Elementary and the theater group. And also, we have events po with Jollibee, fast food chain po, with them, just to give them a time to be, different naman po. I mean, to experience a different kind of happiness, because not all children there, especially the children in public school, experience.
Where do you stay right now? Where do you live?
I live in Las Piñas
Las
po.
Piñas. But you finished elementary somewhere in Pasay.
Yes po, Pasay po talaga po kami. Sa St. Mary's Academy, Pasay po. Yes, sir.
First of all, comparing this with the rest of the pageants, what makes it really very different and unique?
What makes it really different and unique is because it focuses on 3 fields: human rights, environment, and health, and also the progress. They are tracking also if the project that you will propose can really contribute to the progress of the community. It's more of what you have done and what you will do. So they're looking at the track record also. What have you done for the community and what can you do for the community? So, ayun po.
But I understand before, I don't know now.
Opo.
I would have there is one major title which is Miss Progress Philippines, Miss Progress International.
Yes po.
And then there are other titles, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes po. For their runner-ups, they call it as Miss Progress Health, Miss Progress Environment, and Miss Progress Human
I
Rights,
believe we already have a Miss Environment
and Health po.
and the title itself.
Yes po. Tatlo po.
Is Jennifer still heading
Yes po, I'm talking to her. She's actually helping me. She's one of my
she's not
mentors.
connected with the organization anymore.
She's connected with Let's Talk Agency of Karen Jane Production.
But not with the organization that owns the franchise for
Hindi po.
Progress. Not anymore.
Not anymore po. Because it was 2017 pa po when she...
She was the first who won as Miss Progress.
Yes po. Opo. And ang inspiring po ng story niya, if you will have the chance to talk to her po, nakakabilib din po yung kwento niya.
From Mindanao.
Opo.
May natin ka na mga co-candidates mo? I mean, nakaka-chat?
Last night po, we had an interview with Pageant Fanatics with Miss Australia, Miss Cynthia. And I've been talking to Miss Japan as well. She's really friendly. And actually, Miss Japan and Miss India of Australia. Mostly po.
Wala pa kayong GC.
Wala pa po eh.
Basta progress pa.
In progress pa. Work in progress ang GC.
Italy lang ba yung ang pupuntahan mo? May plan ka pang pumunta sa
I plan. But andun na ako, but of course I need to consider my budget or if I could sell at a sale before I leave.
Saan ba siya malapit? Ano malapit?
Bandang south na po siya eh. Opo.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa naman. Basta medyo dulo.
Nag-aaral ka ba ng language nila?
Hindi po. But I'm planning po yung basic so I could, kasi we will travel so I could talk to, you
Then,
know.
nakausap mo na rin yung owner ng pageant si Mr. Lisby ba, no?
Wala po akong chance, pero there's a funny story because I want to apply for this. I emailed the website po and then Mr. Giuseppe sent it to Miss Jedever na, hey, you have this contestant who wants to join, you need to contact her. So yun pa lang po yung interaction ko, pero wala pa po kaming interview. I haven't met him, but soon. Busy pa po
Ay,
ata.
friends lang sa Facebook.
Si Miss Jedever pa din po yung link ko.
Hindi friends sa Facebook ni Sir Liz.
Ay, ano nito? Close siya doon.
Ay, meron po ba? Isip eh.
Siya nag-friend request sa akin.
Isip eh. Ayun, sorry. Sige po, I'll add. I'll remind you po. I'll update you rather.
Ang
Sorry.
kabagong sa Terra.
Zia, one last question.
Yes po.
Ano yung relevance ng pageantry dun sa advocacy ng Miss Progress na human rights, environmental, and ano yung isa?
Help po.
Health.
Well, what I love about the project is it is more specific. So they're just focusing on 3 fields, which is what you've mentioned po. So with that, we could actually have or brainstorm more about what this community needs. Is it about health? Is it about environment? Is it about more of human rights? I will give you an example. For Tondo, everything can be, or you can have a project there in terms of environment, in terms of human rights, in terms of health, right? So what do you know, or as a candidate, what will you pursue more, or what is close to your heart? So this is an opportunity to actually pursue what you have been doing in the past po. So again, like I've mentioned, that's why I felt that this pageant is destined for me because I've been doing or helping children of the poorest community to have rights to education, or how about to feed healthy meals like that po.
Do you have ano na ba? Advocacy video?
Wala pa po. Opo. Soon po, we are planning already. Right now po, we are focusing more on visa requirements po. Kasi yun, opo. Yes po.
September na, malapit na.
Yes po. That's why I'm asking po. It was announced only last July 16. I'm still waiting for the endorsement letters of the government agencies.
May mga national posture, politika na, saka mga gowns and everything.
Opo.
At that time, pag-meet naman ako sa pageant challenge.
Sige po.